In the vast landscape of technology and innovation, two titans have emerged, each leaving an indelible mark on the world. On one side, we have Elon Musk, the visionary mind behind Tesla and SpaceX. On the other side, we find Mark Zuckerberg, the driving force behind the social media giant Facebook. These two tech moguls have captivated the world's attention, not just for their groundbreaking achievements, but also for their long-standing feud that has played out on the grand stage. The feud was sparked in September 2016 after a collaboration between the two billionaires went down in flames, quite literally, as Zuckerberg's $200 million satellite exploded in a pre-launch test accident on one of Musk's SpaceX rockets. After the explosion, Zuckerberg wrote on Facebook that he was deeply disappointed that SpaceX's launch failure destroyed our satellite. About a year later, Zuckerberg took a not-so-subtle jab at Musk during a public Facebook live stream by criticizing irresponsible artificial intelligence naysayers.
I think that people who are naysayers and kind of try to drum up these doomsday scenarios are, I don't understand it. I think it's really negative, and in some ways I actually think it's pretty irresponsible.
Musk famously holds a hyperbolic, bleak view of artificial intelligence and has repeatedly made it clear that he believes the technology has the potential of civilization destruction.
People see like robots going down the street killing people, like they don't know how to react, because it seems so ethereal.
Musk responded dismissively to Zuckerberg's AI commentary on Twitter. I've talked to Mark about this. His understanding of the subject is limited. Musk escalated the conflict in 2018 by making fun of Facebook on Twitter. The official Facebook sites of SpaceX and Tesla were later erased by Musk as part of the Delete Facebook movement, which was started in response to the Cambridge Analytica incident. Musk claimed that Tesla's page looked lame anyway. After a short while, Musk recognized the SpaceX explosion that had damaged Zuckerberg's satellite and even accepted guilt. But he also said that Facebook had received a free launch to make up for it. Musk never brought back the erased Facebook accounts, limiting his and his company's Facebook presence to fan sites and parodies. In 2020, Musk reacted to a Sacha Baron Cohen piece that criticized the amount of influence and power that Zuckerberg wielded through Facebook. In his response to the post, Musk, who was 2 years away from acquiring Twitter, advised the public to deactivate Facebook because it's lame. Musk published a meme during the 2021 riot on January 6th, attributing the mayhem to Facebook. The meme mentions Facebook's beginnings as a website to rate women on campus, a reference to Zuckerberg's proto-Facebook site, FaceMash, and describes the infamous QAnon shaman in detail. In an ironic turn of events, Musk would later tweet his support for the QAnon shaman. Musk's chaotic reign as Twitter CEO has sparked scathing criticism, but Zuckerberg has been cautious when addressing the situation. On June 8th, Zuckerberg appeared on AI researcher Lex Fridman's podcast, who is a friend of Musk, where he was asked what he thought Musk was doing right at Twitter. After a long pause, Zuckerberg praised Musk's willingness to fire employees and to make Twitter leaner.
Elon led a push early on to make Twitter a lot leaner, and I think that it's like you can agree or disagree with exactly all the tactics and how we did that. Obviously, every leader has their own style for if you need to make dramatic changes for that, how you're going to execute it.
Twitter has been bleeding advertisers under Musk's mercurial management, creating a niche for a potential rival. Upon hearing rumors of Zuckerberg's Threads, a direct rival to Twitter, Musk tweeted, "I'm sure Earth can't wait to be exclusively under Zuck's thumb." Responding to a Twitter user who jokingly warned that Zuckerberg knew jitsu, Musk wrote that he was up for a cage match. The tweet seemed like another one of Musk's goofy jokes, but Zuckerberg appeared to take the challenge seriously and posted a screenshot on Instagram of Musk's tweet with the caption, "Send me location." Musk responded, "Vegas Octagon, owned by the Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC." Two of the world's richest and most powerful men fighting in a cage for an enthusiastic crowd seems absurd, but it is exactly the kind of ridiculous event that would happen in 2023. Hence, the internet exploded in anticipation of the match. Few were as excited as UFC President Dana White, whose eyes lit up with dollar signs. White took the time to call Musk and Zuckerberg and claimed that both billionaires were serious about the fight.
Elon and Mark last night. Both guys are absolutely dead serious about this.
Now, wait.
The ongoing war of words between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg has reached a new level of intensity since the launch of Twitter's rival platform, Threads. Musk recently took a jab at Zuckerberg, calling him a cuck in a tweet. This exchange follows a series of sparring posts, threats of lawsuits, and even challenges to a physical fight between the two billionaires. In response to a Threads post by fast food chain Wendy's, Musk tweeted, "Zuck is a cuck," accompanied by a screenshot of the post. Wendy's had playfully suggested that Zuckerberg should go to space to anger Musk, referencing SpaceX's involvement in space exploration. Zuckerberg replied to Wendy's post on Threads with a laughing emoji, which might have further provoked Musk. Meanwhile, Threads gained significant popularity within days of its launch, amassing over 30 million users. Many Twitter users have expressed frustration with the platform's policies since Musk acquired it, particularly changes to features like blue check verification.
Steven Zinkley, as you may have noticed, we've all kept our blue check mark. However, the people who are intended to keep their blue check mark are those who have paid for Twitter Blue.
Following Threads' launch, Musk threatened to sue Meta Platforms, the parent company of Threads. Musk's Twitter lawyer, Alex Spiro, sent a letter to Zuckerberg accusing Meta of willfully and unlawfully misappropriating Twitter's trade secrets and intellectual property. The letter demanded that Meta cease using any confidential information from Twitter. This all about Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg feud. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.